Once again, we are here to help you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And this is a customer's training. But if you're watching this video from YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else for free, then please know that this is a paid training, but we are giving away for free. So please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know, especially your social media timelines, because this way you help others learn how to make money online the same way as we are doing. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next money making video. First of all, today's money motivation. You see this account, it's one of my Warrior Plus account. And the money is pretty awesome, right? Very inspiring. Now let's take a screenshot for easy demonstration. Although all these money are very inspiring and motivating, but the unfortunate truth is money don't grow on trees. Money comes from other people's pockets. And these visitors are the people who paid us money, their hard-earned money, because they watched some of our videos or read our content on blog or somewhere, maybe on social media. They loved it, that content or that video was helpful. They clicked our links and they decided to purchase from us. That's exactly how we make money. And in this video, I will share step by step how you can do it too, starting today. Sounds good? Okay, another honest truth. We make videos in order to make money online. And if you are allergic in making videos, we have a good news for you. You don't need to use camera and microphone like this video and this channel, because even us don't use cameras and microphones and record ourselves in other 20 plus channels. So in other 20 plus channels, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Now you're looking at the Epic user dashboard. Epic allows us to make videos using images and texts, and we make simple information and helpful videos that people are looking for using Epic. Just like this one, let's take this screenshot, copy this screenshot, go to Epic, click this button, Ctrl V, the image is here, click upload to upload the image in the library, and in a matter of seconds, the image is in the library. Click use to add the image in your canvas. Now you can enlarge it, you can move it, pan it, rotate it to talk about what you are about to say about this image. Now here is the awesome part. Script writing is important for making videos, but with Epic, you don't need to write script. You can copy script from anywhere. Go to the text section, click the text generator, put your copied text here, click any of these buttons and rewrite that text automatically using AI. Then use that text or copy that text, go to the audio section, click this add button under text to audio, put your text here, click this button, and your natural sounding voiceover is ready to use without using microphone. Sounds good? Awesome. Now that's not all. We can make bite-sized videos. Like let's say this is one bite-sized video. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. And now I am busy. I will just save the campaign, and later I will come back and I will click add new button right here to add another section. But instead of adding something completely new, I can use any of our previous videos. So yes, Epic user get all our videos for free. They can use them, they can modify them, they can take ideas from them. The choice is yours. By the way, Epic is free, link is in the description. Go grab access right now. Okay, let's start another blank section, because I'm going to show you what video you can make to attract buyers and buy from you, so you can make money just like this starting today. To be honest, this is a very bad situation in the world economy, and everyone should be saving money. Get rid of bad investment, learn new skills, but saving money is very important. So a lot of people are looking for how to save money. If you go to YouTube and search with money saving tips, you'll see a lot of videos are getting a lot of views, and basically 350,000 people are searching on YouTube. So let's take a screenshot of the visible part using a free software. Awesome screenshot. It's a Google Chrome extension, by the way. So I will say, hey, money saving tips is the keyword. 350,000 people are looking for this keyword on YouTube. And then I want to show the views of this video, the views of this video, and this video. And I can tell you, hey, you can take ideas from this video, take idea from this video. Now click done, copy this, go to Epic, click here, upload, and add the image in just one click. And then I can talk about this image and tell you about where to take idea from. You got it? This is how we use Epic to make videos without using camera, microphone, writing script, giving voiceover, or talking for long time in front of the cameras. We can use the timeline to make simple transitions and animations. And then finally, when we are happy, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Then I'll get an email when the video is ready in a couple of minutes. I can download that email, upload it anywhere, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and get customers from there. Now you might be asking, Mosh, who are these customers who are trying to save money? First of all, people who are looking to save money, they already have money. They are just trying to save it. So they want to learn some tips from you. If you sincerely help them, they will love your content, they will follow you, and eventually buy from your recommendation. But that's not all. Let's say you're making a lot of videos about money saving tips, different subtopics of money saving tips. Epic will allow you to make 10 or 20 videos per day without breaking a sweat. Then bundle them up and come to Udemy, because Udemy has 100 million customers of their own, and 20% of those customers come from Google. And Udemy is nothing but bundle of videos in the form of online course. Udemy visitors and customers always look for new courses to learn new skills. Look at this course, Savings 101, Easy Ways to Become a Millionaire by Saving. By the way, I searched with the keyword saving and I found 3,620 results, and I can just take this information, put it on Epic to complete the video. And this course was sold to 1,920 students at the price of $16.99. So let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, how much is 1,920 times 16.99?
1,920 times 16.99 is 32,620.8.
$22,000 from uploading a bunch of videos on a free website called Udemy. I would say this is amazing and not bad at all. And all this 22,000 without giving any extra effort. It's just a bundle of videos that you already uploaded on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram and Facebook, and maybe all of them. An additional free $22,000 from Udemy. Is it good or bad? If it is good, then don't you think you should start using Epic and start making simple tips videos starting today? Epic is free, link is in the description. Don't wait, time is money. So there are 3 ways to make money using videos. Number 1 is YouTube AdSense. Every million views gives you $3,000 to $6,000 depending on the niche and other factors. You can always put your affiliate links in the description of your videos and ask your viewers to buy from you if they need to buy something. What we found is, because we give away valuable information, literally paid training for free, people love our content and they even look for us, ask us whether we're promoting something, and they buy from our links and we make money. The third way is Udemy, and of course you can build your own followers, email subscribers list, make money from newsletters, from your own course, from your own software, selling SaaS or software as a service programs, coaching and mentorship programs. Sky is the limit when you have good content publishing on traffic places like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. By the way, one quick tip. On YouTube, the links are usually in the description and in the first pinned comment. And on Instagram and TikTok, you should put your links in the bio. Sounds good? That is it for today. We use Epic. You should use Epic too. Link is in the description. Go grab. Start free today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same. And you can participate in this noble mission by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter, so everyone else can get benefited. They will love you and follow you for sharing this awesome information, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly what we do in order to make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people are doing it every single day. You can do it too. Start today. Go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.